Hi everyone, this lesson is for t formulas. Now if little t equals 10a over 2, then we are going to find sine a, cos a, tan a in terms of t. Okay, so first I'm going to use, all these t formulas we have to use double angles of sine, cos, tan. Now first thing I'm going to do is tan a. So I'm going to cross that up. Okay, so I'm going to go using double angle of a 2a equals, now you have to remember this, 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. Now somehow I need to, because it says here little t equals tan a over 2, so I don't have an a over 2 here, so I need to create 8 over 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 2 on all of the a's. So I'm going to do tan a, if I divide it by 2, 2 tan a over 2, 1 minus tan square a over 2. Now what I'm going to do is a substitute, or replace it, this tan a over 2 with a t. So if I do that, I will get 2t over 1 minus t squared. Okay, so that's my formula for tan. Tan is 2t over 1 minus t squared. So that's exactly what I've got there. Okay, so next one, you might think, okay, so sine, I'm going to have to use sine 2a. Before we do that, since we got t equals tan a over 2, which I can rewrite this, tan a over 2 equals t, which is t over 1. Now the reason I'm going to change into this is I'm going to use a right angle triangle, and I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA. So here, right angle, and I'm going to call this a over 2. And t over 1, so it'll be t1, SOHCAHTOA. And using a Pythagoras theorem, I will go t squared plus 1. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is sine 2a. Do you remember the formula? 2 sine a and cos a. All I'm going to do now is I have to change into a over 2, because I'm going to use these right angle trig ratios here. So I'll divide it by 2 on all the a's. So I'll get sine a equals 2 sine a over 2 cos a over 2. Excellent. So what I'm going to use here is, what's a sine a over 2 here? Equals t over t squared plus 1. Okay, and then cos a over 2 is 1 over t squared plus 1. All right, so I'm going to substitute in here 2 times t over t squared plus 1 times cos a, it would be 1 t squared plus 1. And you substitute times it, it'll be 2t on the top, square root times square root, all the same, 1. Okay, so sine a equals 2t over t squared plus 1. Now, cos 2a equals, remember, cos square a minus sine square a. So how are we going to do this? Well, same thing. What's a cos? This one. So I'm going to square this one, t squared plus 1, square it, and then minus sine was t over t squared plus 1, and square it. So let's have a look. What I've got here is 1 t squared plus 1 minus t squared plus 1, which is 1 minus t squared all over, I'm going to make it look prettier, so 1 plus t squared, because t squared plus 1 is same as 1 plus t squared. So that's what I've got. And if I sort of sums up all of this now, it'll be, let's have a look, guys. So it'll be sine A equals, what was a sine A equals? I remember is 2t, yes, 2t over 1 plus t squared, and then cos A equals 1 minus t squared, 1 plus t squared, and tan A equals 2t over 1 minus t squared. Now, you probably realize I was like trying to really hard to remember sine A to start with. Now, this is how you remember this. Just a right angle triangle, A there, and it'll be 2t and 1 plus t squared, 1 minus t squared. Okay, so if you remember this triangle, it'll come up naturally. Okay, so that was this is all t formulas using double angles for proof. Well done.